Yes, totally for sure. But it's so intensive, and also you are not learning during the process. So also you are thinking about your company, like what is the mistake that you did, how can you improve the next process. So it's intense in this way, like you are learning, and in the meantime you are trying to improve your company. In the beginning, when you're starting this in this world of the startup, you think that everything is more easy. Just you prepare a presentation, a basic presentation, and the money will appear somehow. But then with the process, now with the bootcamp, I realized that I didn't know anything about how to do it properly. Amazing. Just to have the chance to be with Francois and to learn this kind of knowledge is quite valuable.